Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll talk about what it means when your Sunbeam heated blanket has a blinking light and how you can fix it safely. When the light on your heated blanket starts blinking, it's a built-in safety alert, letting you know something isn't right. In many cases, this can be fixed with a proper reset. Start by unplugging the blanket from the wall outlet and disconnecting the controller from the blanket completely. Once everything is disconnected, wait at least 30 to 60 minutes. This waiting time is important because it allows the internal electronics to fully reset and clear any temporary error. After waiting, firmly reconnect the controller to the blanket, making sure it clicks into place securely. Then plug the blanket directly into a wall outlet, avoiding extension cords or surge protectors for now. Turn the controller on and check if the blinking light has stopped. If it has, the reset worked, and your blanket should function normally again. If the light continues blinking, inspect the power cord from end to end for any cuts, fraying, or damage. Do not use the blanket if you notice any damage. Some Sunbeam models display error codes. Codes starting with F usually point to power issues, E codes often mean loose connections, and FF codes indicate a general system fault requiring a full reset. If the blinking persists after all checks, stop using the blanket and contact Sunbeam support. Heated blankets don't last forever, and older units may need replacement to ensure safety.